Rosa. No? First, we confirm that there is existing valid arrest warrant for the ICC. He is charged as a co-perpetrator in the crime against Evanio. Second, we also likewise confirm also the fact that based on evidence, pieces of evidence we've relayed information in the past few days, Senator Bato is not in the Senate premises. Third, yesterday, the Supreme Court did not issue a temporary restraining order, neither was a status quo ante order was issued. But the main case is still pending with the Supreme Court. Fourth, the arrest warrant is enforceable. Based on all these four basic premises, I would like to confirm. One, the Philippine law enforcement agencies, which would include the PNP, the National Bureau of Investigation, are now tasked to effect the arrest of Senator Bato de la Rosa.